Howdy YouTube, this is Charles.
And this is John.
And we are in John's car and we are heading to one of our local thrift stores to do some picking before we go to our antique mall and put our stuff up in our booth.
You guys get to see the antique mall today.
Maybe, I don't know, stay tuned. Because I'm not sure what could happen, because it's kind of a rainy, cold, snowy, yucky day in the Midwest, so we're not really doing anything at the tiny house, and it's too cold to metal detect, and it's all the lakes and stuff are frozen up, so there's no fishing. So we're gonna do some picking. We're here. Let's go inside.
And there's some other people here too. Damn.
Yeah, there's a lot of people here today. People. But luckily, most of these people don't know what they're looking for. We don't know what we're looking for either, so it's always an adventure. Yeah. Let's go inside.
Let's go inside.
We're going inside.
So I just found this really cool Avon Peacock cologne bottle. It looks like, I'm hoping that's a 3 and not a 6. Just say $3.99 they want for it. It's anywhere between $15 to $40 on eBay plus shipping, so this is definitely a maybe.
With this kind of stuff, you got two kinds of buyers. The ones that want it because it's collectible, and those who want it because it's cute. We saw these last time we were here, and I think this time I want to go ahead and take them home. Let me put this on here for right now. Got some Fenton. I'm kind of done with the Fenton.
No, over it.
Check it.
You know what I mean? Do you remember how much glass I sold on Etsy? Do you remember?
Yeah. Oh, they're repos. How funny. Alright, one thing you always want to look for when you're in a thrift shop, you want to always take the time to take a look at the prints and pictures. That one lithograph print we found of the barn can be resold from anywhere between $50 and $100. And every now and then you could run into and find a Maxfield Parrish or R. Atkinson Fox lithograph, and those can be worth thousands, depending on the picture. You do have to be careful with those because there are a ton of reproductions. But if you find one, it's a good chance it's worth quite a bit of money.
Alright YouTube, we stopped in at another little thrift store and found some old 1950s Stetson plates that are pretty cool. They didn't have a full set to where we could make a pair for everything, so we took a large platter and a bowl, and we're going to try to push it as a soup and sandwich set. They're from the 50s. They're pretty vintage. They have some nice patina on them. We got them for like $2. I think we could probably get $10 for it. I don't know. What do you think?
I'd almost say 15.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna stop and get something to eat, and then we're gonna go to the our antique shop and our booth and put our stuff up. It's time for food. Burger King. How fancy is this? Oh. Wow, they built this place up beautifully. We're here. Get the stuff. Oh, well, let's leave the stuff we bought today in the car, and we'll do the go over that at home. So,
Gotcha.
all the stuff we bought, that's not our stuff that's going in. That's the stuff we bought today. We're taking that stuff. Burr. I love how people don't close doors. Yeah. It seems like what's what it is.
mean, it's not hard to close the door.
Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and take a quick look here at our booth. There's a paper casting, some of John's pendulum boards that he wood burns. Right now we have some Valentine's Day cards up from the 20s. Those are coming down today. My World War II fly rod, some other neat little things hanging on the wall over here. Yeah, and then we have the big case. So let's go ahead and open that up and take a look inside. And as you can see, we have an array of porcelain pottery, Fenton glass, some anchor hocking, some nice vintage stuff. A little bit of everything, really. If it's pretty and I like it, I buy it. And then over here we have this Winnie the Pooh tea kettle you saw in our previous video. And John's working up the price tags right now. We can get everything marked. Oh my god, and that jacket is Jackie-O fabulous. And this stove. I mean, just look at this stove. We saw a very similar pair of chairs earlier today. They're asking a reasonable price. These are in amazing shape. I mean, mid-century modern is all the craze right now. I mean, just look at this little china cabinet, and that's a fair price for what they're asking. There comes a point in time when you yourself start to feel vintage. Oh my god. Now that is just Rosemary Baby creepy. I really like that deco table over there. I like the way that click-clacks up and the leaves fold away on the inside.
John, come here. This is what I'm talking about.
Made an occupied.
Alright guys, we'll catch you later. Wait. John wants you to remember, don't forget about his handmade spirit pendulum boards.